right, we're here at the DoubleTree. Hey, one of the lanterns works. It's like a freaking oven in here.
Hydro?
This is a tri-state elevator, just like the Smoke Hotel. Get a cat view. This is not a very nice elevator. Also, for a property of this size, 2 hydraulic elevators is really not unacceptable. Especially 2 6-story hydro elevators. Alright, we have finally made it to the bottom. We might have another bank here.
Yeah, because it says Brandywine.
Alright. Hey, both lanterns work on this one. We're gonna go up to 5. You know, I can tell what they did. To have a floor passing chime, they just opted to wire it into the lantern. That's why it does that.
Yeah.
Pretty lazy. Does not really reflect well on tri-state elevator. Also, the label's up here on this one. I think it was down there on the other
I
one.
was one, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was just me, okay.
Yeah, I've been on one other set of tri-states. Those weren't great either. Don't worry, we will eventually get to the bottom. Oh, so it has got to be like 90 degrees in here.
Yeah, I know, right?
Air conditioning costs money, what can I say? All right, that's it.